video about OET Part B. What are some tips and what are some advice? So this is going to be part of Part B and C is the second part of the reading subtest. And over here, you're going to be getting a total of 45 minutes, which is inclusive of Part B and also Part C. What's the tips here? What do you want? What you want to do is spend as much time, around 2 or 2.5 minutes per question for the OET Part B. So what you want to do is first of all read the top question. What these top questions usually are these two. They usually are, what is the point of the extract? Or they sometimes ask, what is the point of the code of conduct? What is the point of the demo? What is the point of the extract? And sometimes they also ask, what is this code of conduct? What is this memo? What is extract? What does it apply to? What's the application where? What does it apply to? So they sometimes ask, what's the point? What's a point? Or what does it apply to? So these are the two main characteristics of what this really does speak about. Now, you want to first read the top heading. Then I don't advise you to read the options. So there's usually 3 options. I don't advise you to read any of those options. Rather, I advise you to read the text and understand it. Just get an understanding. Read the first line. They usually have the answer in the first line, or sometimes they have the answer in the last line. Sometimes the answer is also in the middle. It's quite common. The answer is in the middle of the text. Just read it, understand it. You can be able to explain this text to someone else. Understand the text. Okay? And of course, and then you come to each option. Read each option carefully. Because sometimes they'll be like, they'll write something, but they write it in like a small way or a flip way or some way like that. So you want to read every option carefully. And really don't try to, you can answer from a particular area, sometimes that's right, but try to answer from your understanding. What is your understanding of this text? So try to answer in that form of what is your understanding of this sort of text. And if of course you don't find an answer, move on, because you're going to have 2 and 2.5 minutes. This happened in my attempt in OET, which I have failed for OET reading, is that I spent too much time in Part B, and Part C I didn't have enough time. So Part C, I had to guess one question. So that's why it is essential that you read all the options. If you don't spend more than 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes, maximum. Even that 2.5 minutes is the max you want to go. If you can't find the answer, think of something logical, think of like a brief understanding, and then just move on. Just move on to the next question. That's the key over here, guys. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys found this useful, and I hope to see you guys next time.